Welcome to BookOne PMS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the new booking layout for creating multiple room bookings. First, go to Reservation Management. On this page, you'll see a toggle for the new booking layout view. Click the toggle to switch to the new layout. Now click on the Book a Room button to begin. Select the room type, choose the arrival and departure dates, and then select a booking plan. Now, enter the number of rooms, the adult count, and child count if applicable. Next, select the source of booking from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add button. Make sure all the required fields are filled before proceeding. To add more rooms, select another room type or even the same room type and repeat the process. In this case, the Group button will be enabled automatically. The pricing field will automatically fill, including the GST. Now, enter the customer details such as name, contact number, and email. Room allocation is optional. If needed, you can select and allocate specific rooms. Once done, click Save. After saving, a booking confirmation pop-up will appear, confirming that the multi-booking has been created successfully. You can also continue booking with our old layout. For that, check out the tutorial link in the description. Enjoy a faster and smoother multi-booking experience with BookOne PMS